Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing another mystery box unboxing. And today we are doing the beauty creations. If you have never heard of beauty creations, it's very affordable, and whenever I'm thinking of beauty creations I think of those bright colors. They have bright palettes and they have all kind of stuff. Plus the most important part is they are actually pretty affordable. So when it comes to the mystery boxes, they actually do them every single month, and every month is different. In particularly are from March. Has been quite crazy few weeks, but yeah, I'm decided to unbox them. Honestly, I don't even know how I didn't unbox them and didn't pick. I didn't sneak peek yet in there, so I'm super curious to see what's in there. I did get the small box and the large box, even though the boxes look like they are kind of the same size. They definitely are different weight, so I can tell like this is heavier, this is lighter. Without me rambling too much, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with the small one. So the small box is supposed to have 5 to 6 full-size products at a value of $40 for $25. The products in the bag will range from our newest release, top sellers, and must-haves. Mystery boxes come in 2 to 3 different options depending on the month. Please be advised that your products might duplicate if you purchase more than 2 within the same month. So this is what they have, the information that they have about the little mystery box. So yeah, I am actually very excited to see what's in there. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get it open. It's kind of cute, guys. Isn't this cute? Woo. So the first thing that I see, it's a palette, an eyeshadow palette. This one is Emerald by Beauty Creations. Palette is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. What you think? But when I'm looking at this palette, I think more of like fall. So yeah, it's unfortunate that somehow, somewhere, somebody's little fingers got into my palette. But hey, the palette itself is actually cute, so I might actually create some colors. They're pretty different to the colors that I already own, so that's kind of cute. The next thing that I see, it's a silicone sponge. I don't really use silicone sponges, so most probably I'm going to be put it in a giveaway. Next thing that I see are magnetic lashes. Now I believe these one I think are like you have to put them one on top of each other. But I do have quite a few magnetic lashes, so most probably I'm going to put these one in a giveaway as well. Alright guys, so the next thing that I see in the box is this beautiful set. Now this one is Brow Definer 911 Essentials. It's Eyebrow Definer Pencil, then Brow Tame Seeing Gel, and then Eyebrow Definer. Alright, well, let me take it out, and the brush. Let me take it out and check the colors out. I do like the brush. The brush is actually pretty cute, and as you can see, it's pretty thin, and the angle is pretty nice as well. And then it has the spoolie. The spoolie is actually pretty nice as well. It's like full and stuff, so I do appreciate that. The next thing is setting gel. Now the setting gel doesn't have any color. It's kind of clear, as you can see. The brush is not like a brush. It's more like has like little teeth. So I'm really curious to try it out. Definitely going to do a separate video using some of these products for sure in the near future. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this one is like the Abh Brow Definer, but micro version. I actually kind of love this. Ooh, actually pretty a good color for my hair color at the moment. So very excited to give it a try, but I already looking at it, I already like it. So the last thing in this set is the medium brown gel. Ooh, it's actually sealed, you guys. So that's something I always appreciate. Remember, when it comes to the gels and every single cream product, you guys, it comes in a jar. In order for it to last longer and for it to be soft for a longer period of time, you at all times have to keep it sealed. So just scoop it out an amount that you think you might need at that moment, and then, you know, seal it back. The more it's going to be sealed, the longer it's going to last you, and it's not going to dry out so quick. So yeah, the fact that it's sealed like that, I appreciate that. All right, I'm going to take this off. So here is our color. I really like it. I think this is going to be a really good color for my brows, for what I am wearing, and, you know, matching my hair and so on. So yeah, definitely looking forward to try it. All right, guys, and the last thing in our mystery box, the small one, is this mirror. It's actually pretty cute little mirror. It says it's a lifestyle beauty creations. Now, it doesn't have any magnification. It's a just regular mirror, but it's super cute. Now, I do have a bunch of mirrors in my collection, so I might just pop this one in my next giveaway, so stay tuned for that one. All right, guys, so overall, the little mystery box was promised 5 to 6 full-size products, and we did get 5 full-size products. Let's throw some numbers. So the Emerald palette was $13.99. The brow set was $16. The magnetic lashes are actually on sale right now, so they are $2.99. The silicone sponge is $2.99, and then the mirror was $5. So we came down to $40.97. So definitely Beauty Creations delivered what they promised. There's definitely a little variety to kind of give you an idea and introduce you to the brand if you don't have anything from Beauty Creations. That's what I normally love to do. That's why I get all these mystery boxes, because if I don't know much about the brand, I want to see something to kind of make an impression, even if I get something that, let's say, is from the last season or so. I don't really mind. So there we go, because a lot of times I would get on the website and get lost. I'm like, I don't know what I want. So that is actually pretty nice way of getting stuff sometimes. I do like surprises, so as you can tell, I got 2 today. So yeah, overall, they did deliver in the small ones what they promised. I got 5 full-size products, which honestly, I would consider this one alone more than, you know, one piece. So I'm very pleased with my little box. Let's move on to the big one. All right, guys, in the big mystery box, they promise anywhere between 5 to 10 full-size products at a value of $80. So super excited. Always, from my past experience, I always know the bigger boxes always bring more value. So yeah, let's see what's inside. It's definitely almost full, so I'm super excited. All right, guys, the first thing that catch my eyes are these beautiful lashes. This one are in the style glitz. These ones are 3D lashes. Actually, they look really nice. Now, if you watch me for a while, I do love me some cat eye kind of lashes. So these one look like they actually look pretty good, guys. Really excited to try. The next thing that I see here is a beauty sponge. Now, if you watch me for a while, you know I love me some beauty sponges, so very excited to try this one. Actually, I'm going to pop it out and give it a feel. There we go. Ooh, it's actually very soft. Totally gonna use it. Oh my goodness. It feels really nice, guys. Surprised. Okay, Beauty Creations. You got me interested. All right, the next thing that we have is a setting spray. I love me some setting sprays. This one, it says, I guess it should smell like peony or something like that. All right, let's spray a little bit. It does smell like peony. Oh, this is nice. I actually love the smell of peony. Kind of reminds me of the school times, because every time at the beginning of the school year, I would bring huge bouquet of peonies to my school teacher and so on. So that's kind of cool. Brings me really nice memories. I really, really like this one. Now, I don't know how good it is for setting your makeup, but I mean, it's a setting spray, so I'll definitely try it for a few times and I'll let you know how I like it. Yes, so the next thing I see is we got some lipsticks, and this one is from the first Dare to Be Bright collection. I believe they have so many beautiful sets from the first launch, Dare to Be Bright. This one, it looks like it's called Bougie. So let's open up and check them out. That's kind of neat. I really like this green lime color. So these are the lipsticks. There we go. That's kind of neat. I really, really like them. So one is gloss and the other one is matte. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand real quick so you guys can see. This is the matte. It's actually a very beautiful nude color. I actually really, really like it. Right, so this is the matte liquid lipstick. It's a matte one. And then we have the gloss. They don't smell like anything. I actually appreciate that. Now, the gloss it looks very bright in the tube, but honestly, it just has a little bit of nude tint. I am sure this one will be really, really beautiful, even on its own. So I am definitely taking these ones with me in the trip, and I'm gonna give them a try and see how, but from how they look like on my hand, I'm gonna really enjoy them. For a second, I thought I got the same palette. Hold your horses, Ina. We got two emerald palettes. However, this is the Emerald 2, so the colors here are different. And actually, I love this one. This color in particular, it's so pretty. This is definitely a very a must-have palette for me. It has blues, greens. This green calls my name for a look for sure. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna create a look with this one. So yeah, the large one had the Esmeralda 2, so that's kind of neat. For a second I thought I got the same palette in the large one, but surprise. So that's kind of neat. I'm definitely gonna create a look using both palettes. That's so exciting. Let me put them side by side, you guys, so you can see the difference. These colors are so pretty. I am really excited to use them in the near future for some looks. If not on the YouTube channel, definitely on my Instagram or TikTok and so on, but definitely gonna use these palettes. They look so good. This color right here. I wish they would have names. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Check it out, guys. Look at that reflection. There are definitely some of them look like they're gonna be duochromes, but definitely very pigmented, as you can see. And the next thing is a fan brush. That's actually really soft. You know, the handle and the quality of the brushes, it actually reminds me of the Luxe brushes, which are much more expensive than the Beauty Creations ones. So yeah, this one is in the style RC12. Definitely very soft, very nice. Let's say if you need to brush any fallouts or even to use for your highlighter, that actually would be a really good brush. I don't have many fan brush in my collection, so this one is definitely very handy. So I'm super excited to put this in my kit. Okay, guys, and the next thing I have another palette. It says Angel Glow. Okay, so we have some highlighters. Take a look at this. Ooh, I love the style of this. This is so cool. Oh, they are so soft. Whoa. They are so soft. Oh my goodness. Ah, these are gorgeous colors, you guys. Wow. Now these colors are gorgeous. Definitely the lightest color is a little bit invisible on my hand because it blends in really nicely. But I do really like it. This one would be a really nice bronzer, like this color right here, but they are pigmented and very buttery. Wow, I am impressed. They Beauty Creations definitely sparked my interest. Alright guys, the last thing in our mystery box is another eyeshadow palette. And this one is Alicia. Hope I'm saying it correctly. Let's see. Ooh, now take a look at this. Now that is some colors in here. Ooh, this palette is calling my name. Like, take a look, guys. Aren't these colors so gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to try some, but my eyes are going all over. So what? All right, let's try the Now this is a, take a look at this white. That is so pretty. All right, the next. Now yellows are really hard to do, so let's see how the yellow is a little chalky at first, but the yellow looks really nice. These greens, oh, these purples, pinks. Oof, I cannot wait to get into the creative zone, and I think the Halloween is gonna come sooner this year. So I'm gonna start creating very soon more Halloween looks, or vibrant, colorful, and crazy looks. So definitely excited about this palette. Out of all the brights and, you know, Dare to be Brights and all these collection, I actually hoped to get something really bright, and I'm really excited to get this one and do some fun looks with them. Now color, if you do it in moderation, it actually could look really pretty even on everyday makeup looks. So I'm excited. All right, so this one was the last product in our large box, so let's sum it up. All right guys, so overall we got 8 products, full-size products on our large box, mystery box. So I paid for it $45. So what did we get? The Alicia palette is $20.99. Then the highlighter palette is $11.99, to which $11.99 is pretty good for that little palette. For the quality, I really like the quality. Alicia palette, like for $20.99 for that huge, like that's a steal. That's a really good price for that palette. The pigmentation is there, as you can see, so I'm super excited to give it a try and actually try it in action. Then the lip duo, we got it for its retailed at $9. The sponge is $5.99, which is actually pretty good. I really liked the texture. The setting mist is $6.99. The brush is $4.99, which actually is a really good price for the quality that it is. And then the lashes are $5.99. Alright guys, overall I'm super pleased that in both of the boxes we had different products. I got a different feel to Beauty Creations. What is the brand about? They definitely offer a lot of affordable products, to which the quality speaks for itself. I'm very excited to try it in the near future. Yeah, super pleased with these boxes. Let me know in the comments down below which box was your favorite and what mystery box should I try next. Like, let me know in the comments down below if you have a brand that has mystery boxes and you want me to try it for you. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and yeah, hope to see you on my next one. Bye guys.